Alright people, welcome again to MG Sports TV. I am your host, as you can see here. Well, I am your host, Mario Dakers. Now, from you guys that have seen from the training videos, and also pictures that would have been released by the Reggae Boyz, it's 100% clear that there was no Shamar Nicholson in the training session. Now, remember that Shamar Nicholson is in Jamaica, but he did not partake in the final training session. Now, does that mean that we won't see Shamar Nicholson starting against Honduras? That's the big question here. And if we don't see Shamar Nicholson starting, what will our front three, our front line, look like? That is what I'm going to touch on this morning, people. I'm going to give you all the possibilities. 4-4-2. Who's going to play the front line for the 4-4-2? 4-3-3. Who's going to be that attacking three? And 4-2-3-1. Who is going to be those front four players in the 4-2-3-1? That's the three behind the striker. And who's going to be the striker? People, remember that we don't have now with the possibility may lies that we won't see Shamar Nicholson and also no Mikel Antonio leading the line. So what will our front line be? Anyways, please do smash that like button. That's the YouTube stuff, people. You guys know that. You know that. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. If you are here for the very first time, join the MG Sports family. Big up on yourself. Scuba footballers around the corner. Hey, but guess what? It's match day, people. And the Reggae Boyz are looking to take on Honduras today. And we are going to look at what the possibilities like for the front three, or the front attacking lineup for the Reggae Boyz. Let's get straight to the meat of the matter. Not going to waste any of your time, because you know time is very, very precious. Alright. Let me just bring this up right away. Bring this up. Where is it? Just taking a while, people. Good. Alright, so it's up now. Alright, so I'm sure you guys are seeing that on your screen right at this moment. So the first formation that we're going to start off with is a 4-4-2. Now, as I stated, no Shamar Nicholson. That means the frontline options are, let me write it down, Dujan Richards, Ronaldo Cephas, Leon Bailey, Bobby Reed, Demarai Gray. I hope I'm not missing anyone. But these are the players who are likely to be on the forefront of the attacking lineup. These are the players. So let me just jump over to the what do you call it, the JFF page for 100% confirmation on that. Yes, Leon Bailey. Oh, and Romario Williams. Let me forget Romario. So these are the attackers that we have available specifically in that front three. So we have Romario Williams, Leon Bailey, Demarai Gray, Dujan Richards, Ronaldo Cephas, Shamar Nicholson. Shamar Nicholson, likely possibility of him starting and didn't partake in the last training session. We don't know. We really don't know about that. I remember that he arrived Wednesday. So just think about how that would match up for him. Just think about that. So the first attacking lineup, it would be the 4-4-2. As I said, that's what I'm starting with. So look at the 4-4-2, people. I have Ronaldo Cephas leading the line. It can definitely be Romario Williams. Demarai Gray just behind him, who's going to be that floater. He's going to have the freedom. He will have the freedom to move around, to be the one, let's say, one of the creators in midfield. Bobby Reed on the left and Bailey on the right. Now, we could switch it up and do something like this. Gray switch over to his natural position, add Bailey in the attack, and use, let's say, Romario Williams. Let's say use Shamar Williams as the lone striker. So what I want you guys to do in the comment section, tell us which one of these, this is a 4-4-2, tell us which one of these attacking lineup you would want to see. And just tell me, with a 4-4-2, for each formation I'm going to give you guys, possible formation or possible setup that the coach is going to deploy, tell us which are the players that you would want to see in those particular positions. So Romario Williams, Liam Bailey, Demarai Gray, and Bob Reed on the left hand side. So that is for the 4-4-2. Remember earlier, the initial one was was Cephas, Gray, Bailey, Bob Reed. So that is a possibility. That is a possibility. Now, if I should actually add Cephas here, that would be a really quick start lineup. We're gonna move now to 4-3-3. We're gonna move to 4-3-3. Where is the 4-3-3? Why am I not seeing it? No, that's not it. Yeah, so what for the 4-3-3, you can literally take out Bobby Reed. Highly doubt we're gonna play 4-3-3, but I'm just using it for reference. I'm just using it. And the attacking lineup can be Bailey on the right, Demarai Gray on the left, Romario Williams leading the line, or we have Cephas leading the line. That's a lot of pace. that is quite quick. That's a very quick attacking lineup. Or we could go like this. Maybe use Demarai Gray as a false 9. Cephas on the left. But I do think that Demarai Gray and Liam Bailey will be two players who are going to start. So it's who's going to fill in at this present moment. That's the situation. Who will fill in? So that's the other aspect. Now let's move now to the 4-2-3-1. In the attacking midfield position, I think we might see Casey Palmer, who's actually having a fairly decent season so far. So this will be the attacking three behind the lone striker. Let's say Cephas is starting. So Liam Bailey on the right, Demarai Gray on the left. So Casey Palmer just behind them. So Casey Palmer here, just behind the attack. So this is the midfield three. Demarai Gray, Liam Bailey and Casey Palmer. And behind them you'd have the two central defensive midfielders. And leading the line, it could be Ronaldo Cephas. Or, let's change it to Romario Williams. So you see where we're going. So there's multiple options. But what I want you guys to know, which one of those options would suit you guys. Which of those options you think would be best? You think would be best. I'm not saying that we're going to pick the coach's formation. We're not trying to pick the coach. We're not trying to do that. We're just looking at possible ways. As fans, what we'd like to see, or we think we'd want to see, because we as fans, we do have a right to say. We can ask, we can talk. We can ask questions. We are fans, we are supporting the team. And all of us would want to see our favorite players play. So we do have the option to ask or just discuss that. So I don't nobody come in the comment section and say, "Love the coach make the coach picking team." The coach I go picking team. Me can have impact the coach picking this team. I can't. The coach I go picking team. What me I do on YouTube, I don't think the coach even watch YouTube. Much less. I highly know that. So go in the comment section and tell us, for each formation, which should have start line of it one. 4-4-2, who's gonna be that those two wide wingers and those two attackers. For 4-3-3, who will be that front three for you guys? And the 4-2-3-1, who's gonna be the midfield three and the one leading line? Tell us in the comment section, people. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. If you're here for the first time, big up on yourself. Viewers, subscribers, patrons, and also our channel members. Big up MG Sports TV. Boom, we're out.